Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I want to thank you for hitting that play button. If this is your very first time stopping by the channel, my name is Chuck, and on this channel we deal with everything Corvettes. I'm out here with my vet club today. We're actually headed to a little city in Missouri. I can't remember the city, but we're going there. It's going to be about a 2.5 hour cruise that we're going on. A couple stops in there, but we're going to grab some footage of the different cars, and of course we'll kind of show you. This place supposed to be pretty cool. Where it's kind of like in a cave. It's a restaurant that's kind of built into a cave, and so while you're eating, you can see like goats and stuff. I don't know. I'm not for sure exactly, but the drivers meeting is starting now, so when we get over there, I hope each and every one of you had a chance to get out and drive this weekend. I know Corvettes in Carlisle was this weekend. If you got to go to that, I hope you had a great time. I'm hoping to make that event next year. I'm probably just going to fly up there. I've already talked to some people who live in the area that can pick me up at the airport, and we'll just have a great time for a few days out there. That is the Super Bowl of Corvette events in the United States. It's amazing. I've seen pictures and of course YouTube videos from being out there, and I can't wait to get out there. But guys, let's go ahead and jump in the cars and check out some Corvettes. Stopped right here in a little place called Gore, Oklahoma. Maybe you're watching this and you're from Gore, Oklahoma. There's not a whole lot going on in Gore, Oklahoma. which I'm just kidding. There's some room. The city's back that way. This is kind of the outskirt here. The weather's been good, got a little bit of rain, not a whole lot, but we're about to leave here and continue on. I think this is the only one stop that we're going to be making all the way there to the restaurant. We're stopped here. We've got a Z06, we've got a Stingray. Now we've got the convertible Stingray. Look at that. If you have a convertible, let me know down in the description. Are you a convertible person? Are you a coupe person? Now again, the coupe, you can take off the hood if you want to take that off. I don't see anybody. We've got what? We got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 convertibles right here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 coupes. Oh, another convertible over there. But I think there's a theme here. Well, that might as well be red. I mean, that's close enough to being red. The owner of this car, he's a big OU fan. I think he just found this at a discount somewhere. That's why he went with this orange Z06. But you got, look at all the reds. Else real quick. You step back. How about chrome versus black? We got black, black, chrome, chrome, black, chrome, chrome. What we got right here? Chrome, chrome, black, chrome, chrome, and chrome. So chrome is still king. You know, even though black is catching on, which is of course my favorite, I just chrome is still hanging on. Definitely don't have the best parking. We got boulders, we got off-terrain. See, Corvettes, Corvette, Raptor, hey, they're one and the same.
They came right up here. Look at those grasshoppers.
You actually got to feel like you got a duck, man. Nuts.
Man, this is a restaurant in here. Look at this, right inside the cave. See, if you're over probably 6'2", you're in trouble here. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. You're getting out and just being with the cars. You know, a couple of years ago when I started this YouTube channel, I did so just to really, you know, if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, was to really document an experience with this car. You know, Corvette is more than just an amazing sports car. It's also a lifestyle. And whenever you have a Corvette, you know, I highly recommend that you get plugged in with a local Corvette club, because that's where you're really going to not only meet people who have the same type of enthusiasm as you do about this amazing sports car, but it's also going to take you to a lot of places that you would never go on your own. And that's one thing for me in owning a Corvette, is not only meeting some amazing people, but going on some amazing journeys, going to different towns and small cities that, again, I would have never gone to without being a part of a Corvette club. Also, it's a way for you to get out and drive your car. You know, yes, we can get out and drive our cars, you know, on our own, on a weekend cruise. Most of us, this is not our daily driven car. It's something that we do on the weekends or as we have time. But being a part of a Corvette club helps create that time for you to get out and enjoy these cars. You know, I'm a big proponent of getting out and driving your Corvette. You guys know that if you've been a part of this channel for any amount of time. I'm never impressed with how few miles people say they have on their cars. That just lets me know you're not out enjoying this amazing car. But guys, until I see you at the next video, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your week. Now, let's check out some of your amazing cars.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you Hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand.